Audio Jungle.
Oh guys, if you have clicked this video, please don't skip this video and watch the video till the end fully, because after watching this video I guarantee you guys your style game will improve instantly. See guys, when it comes to fashion and styling, many people just focus on the big items and do not focus on the small items which they should improve to have the biggest image. So today your boy Raj Karmakar from Fashion and Fitness Bus will tell you about 5 small style tricks that will improve your style instantly like this. So if that sounds interesting, let's hop into it. Number 1, unbutton one more button. Boys, I can't unbutton this one because I am having this mic here, but I have seen so many guys just wearing their polos and shorts in a constricting way which makes them look uptight. But now you want to be that cool, that fun, that relaxing guy. Now how can you be that guy? Well boys, don't worry, I am with you. Well guys, there are 2 points. First of all, just relax and unbutton couple more buttons. This makes you look more cool, showing a little bit of man cleavage, and you can clearly spot the difference here. And secondly, boys, you know, you have to subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon, because you'll never get this type of content anywhere else, where it will only and only help you guys. So don't just wait and subscribe to my channel guys right now. Number 2, roll up your sleeves on your short sleeve t-shirts. As you guys know that these t-shirts are super trendy right now, but one thing you'll notice in each and every t-shirt is that their fits are horrible. So the instant small style detail you have to change is to make a cuff by rolling up your sleeves. It not only makes you more stylish but also gives instant tailoring to your overall look. Just look at the drastic difference. That extra bicep exposure increases your hotness. Moving on to number 3, always make sure that your collar is always tucked in. Anytime guys, anytime you wear a shirt with a collar, make sure it's tucked in. For example, if you wear a blazer or a sweater over your shirt, you have to tuck that collar and make sure it's not over your blazer or that sweater. Just iron your collars before wearing and make sure it's crisp, and now you're good to go. Thank me later. Number 4, change your shoelaces. See guys, I love white sneakers very much, but one thing that really sucks about this shoe is after a few wears, means after 5 to 6 wears, it picks up all the dirt, all the stains from the road that you're walking over, and it really looks very dirty. Wiping up the shoe really helps definitely to some extent, but cleaning the laces is very hard. So a new detail that you can do is that buy a brand new shoelace and now it will look like a crisp ordinary new one. And finally, number 5 guys, it's quite tough for most of them out there, is finding a right mentor, especially for your skincare routine. But of course you don't have to worry, because you're the member of this Fashion and Fitness Bus FFB family. And mentor? Yeah, obviously I'm that mentor, right? Firstly, watching all my previous videos that I've uploaded earlier in this channel, it's alright and you should watch it. The links will be given here and you should watch it first. And then secondly, if you want to be a perfect gentleman, then I have opened a brand new grooming makeover series only for you guys, where I will personally guide you respectively, which will improve your skincare, hairstyle, beard style and your overall personality as well. Detailed video is uploaded already in my IGTV. And the best part is that it is completely free of cost for you guys for the first 50 members. So just follow me on Instagram right now and DM me there that you're interested, and link is given down in the description below. So see you guys next on Instagram. And that's basically for today's video guys. If you guys like this video and found it informative, don't forget to drop us a like down below and also share with your friends and comment on how you feel about this video. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon and also follow me on Instagram. That's it for me today. See you next time. Till then, stay stylish.